We are once again, and not for the first time this year, joined by Uachtaráin and Comhaltas, Eamon O'Haragon. He has visited us on many times this year already, and it's a lovely, it's very generous of him to be here again tonight to present on Gradam Seirbhíse to our 5 recipients. And our 5 recipients tonight is Liz McNamara from Ballydonoghue, Lisselton, Jackie Welsh, former County Board Chairman, and also was involved in the Loyal Compound branch of Comhaltas, James O'Connor, native of Ballydonoghue, who was also Chairman of both County and Munster, Bernard Cronin, stalwart in the Milltown Listry from the Gaeilge and from the promotion of culture and also in relation to the County Board. And finally, Patcho Dennehy from Lexna, who was instrumental in, or one of the people instrumental in a Dúchas building in Edward Street, along with Jackie and James, and we also, he was also instrumental in building the Ceolan with Diarmid O'Cahan. So we have 5 people tonight, very worthy recipients of this award. The first person that we are acknowledging tonight is Liz McNamara from Ballydonoghue, Lisselton. Liz has been involved with Comhaltas all her life, and as a set dancer herself in her native Asti. Her love of Comhaltas continued when she married over the hill into Ballydonoghue, where her own children, TP and Katie, attended music, singing and dancing classes in the local Ballydonoghue Lisselton branch. Liz became Cathaoirleach of CC Ballydonoghue Lisselton in the early 90s and continued in that role up to September 2021, which is over 30 years of hard work and commitment that she put into the branch of Ballydonoghue Lisselton. She believed in a team effort and gathered many strong workers into the branch throughout her time as chairperson. Liz saw many successes in the branch over the years, but she was just as happy for the child who played their very first tune or danced for the very first time in the local hall as she was for the child who competed at Fleadh na Héireann. So ladies and gentlemen, will you please give a big round of applause to Liz McNamara as she's going to make her way up on stage, and we would ask Eamon O'Haragon to join us together with Karen Trench, Secretary of the County Board, and Mike O'Shea as well from the County Board. Woo!